Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your VW Passat window switch. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is off and the battery is disconnected before starting any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts and ensures your safety throughout the process. Locating the switch is usually straightforward, typically on the driver's side door panel. Once prepared, gently use your trim removal tool to pry up the old window switch panel. Be careful not to scratch the surrounding trim. After lifting the panel, you'll see the electrical connectors. Carefully disconnect these by pressing their release tabs. Some models might have small screws securing the switch itself to the panel, so remove those if present. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy car repair guides. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling great. You can find the link for that and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, take your new window switch and connect the electrical harnesses. Make sure each connector clicks firmly into place. Carefully position the new switch assembly into the door panel opening, ensuring all clips align and it sits flush. Once it's securely in place, you can reconnect your vehicle's battery. Finally, test all window functions to confirm the new switch is working correctly for every window.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.